How to landscape with white rock. Filling in a flower bed or around stepping stones with white rock lends a clean, contemporary look to your landscape. You can find bags of small white rocks in your local gardening supply store, but be aware that you will probably need more than you think to do any job. Over time, you'll need to top off your white rock design as the rocks tend to work their way into the ground. Things you will need: shovel, gloves, plants or stepping stones, weed prevention membrane, shears, white rock. Excavate the area you plan to landscape with white rock. Remove any other rocks, mulch or debris. If you simply cover any old material rather than remove it, the darker colored stones, stems and other debris may become an eyesore as your white rock shifts and settles. Arrange your plants on top of the excavated soil. Step back and make certain of your layout and then dig the appropriate sized holes for the shrubs or perennials, but do not insert the plants. Install a layer of weed prevention membrane. You can find rolls of landscape fabric that you can easily cut with regular household shears. Shape the fabric to fit your flower bed or pathway. Cut slits in the weed prevention membrane over the holes for your flowers and shrubs. If you're landscaping a pathway around stepping stones, lay the fabric along the pathway. Plant your perennials and shrubs before you add the white rock. It's much easier to arrange your plants without moving the rocks around. The white rocks provide a beautiful contrast to colorful blossoms and evergreen shrubs. Perennials will come back each year, so you can avoid replanting the area. To make a pathway, place the stepping stones as you like them. Fill in around the plants or the stepping stones with a thick layer of white rock. You can pour the rocks straight from the bag or place them by hand, just be careful not to crush your plants. A 3-inch layer is a good start around the plants, and a layer thick enough to be level with the stepping stones will work beautifully. Tips: warnings. Plants such as variegated hostas and bright pink Asiatic lilies are beautiful complements to the white rocks. You could also select miniature gardenia shrubs as a centerpiece for your white rock flower garden. The deep green leaves paired with the delicate white blossoms are both a contrast and a complement to the stones.